In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Webflow templates. Whether you're just dipping your toes into web design or looking to polish up an existing site, using Webflow templates is a great way to get started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access, select, and begin customizing your template to suit your individual needs. Let's head over to Webflow's website by opening your web browser and typing in webflow.com. Webflow offers a robust visual website builder. It's an intuitive platform that allows you to create custom websites without diving deep into complex coding. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, your next step will be to log in. Look towards the top right corner of the web page, and you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're currently not logged in, sign in with your credentials or through your preferred method. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to continue. It's straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your projects. On the left sidebar, you'll see various options. One of them will be labeled Marketplace Libraries and Templates. This section is where you'll find a wide array of available templates that can simplify your web design process. Click on this option to proceed. You're now in the Marketplace. The Webflow Marketplace is like a treasure trove for web designers, both beginners and professionals alike. Here, you'll be exposed to a plethora of design assets, components, and, most importantly for us today, templates. Since your goal is to find templates, you'll want to focus on the Templates section. Follow this up by clicking on yet another option simply labeled Marketplace. It might sound repetitive, but think of it as diving deeper into the treasure chest. There will be a range of categories and types of templates to explore, so click on the Templates tab. This is a curated list showcasing templates categorized by industry, style, and functionality. If you have something specific in mind, browsing through these categories can be incredibly useful. Furthermore, clicking on Browse Webflow Templates will bring you to a more detailed page where you can see individual templates. Once you find a template that you think will fit your needs, select it to view more specific information about its features and any customizations available. Remember, while selecting a template, consider not just the aesthetic aspects, but also the functionalities you need for your website. Congratulations! You're now ready to begin customizing your Webflow template. You should have a better understanding of the template marketplace and how you can leverage it to kickstart your project. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we'll dive into making specific customizations to these templates to really make them your own. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your stunning website with Webflow.